There you go, my friends. The number one fire starter for everything. Survival, bushcrafting, camping, trekking, you name it. This is the one. If you want to turn it off, you just slide it down. There you go. Okay, so for this build, it's going to be very easy. You're only going to need 4 items, that's it. A ferro rod, some jute, some wax candles, and a metal pipe. That's it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is measure out your pipe and cut it approximately to the same length. Now, I just happen to have pipe cutters, otherwise you can use anything. Okay, there we go. So they're about the same length. I'm happy with that. Now what we need to do is take out the burr on this one. Nice. Make sure you don't have any burr on the pipe, otherwise it will catch on your jute. And that's very frustrating, okay? Make sure you do this process. There we go. Nice and clean pipe. Okay, now try to drill a hole parallel to this. That's the idea, at least. Oh, nice. Okay, now take a bigger drill and follow that small hole. So the pipe is exactly 6 millimeters, and the jute that I have is also 5 or 6 millimeters. 5 millimeter drill bit. We're gonna cut it and make a groove on the center. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's good enough. Just to add some extra strength, you can hot glue it there. So this is our finished product. And now just put the waxed jute inside the pipe and we're ready to go. Let's do that. Okay. So when I dip the jute, I want the wax to be hot. If it bubbles a bit, that's good because the wax will infuse the fibers. If it's not very hot, it will not infuse very well. Okay, it bubbles, that's good. That's a good sign. If it bubbles, it's good. Bubbling means the wax is hot and it will take out the air out of your jute and it will replace it with wax. This process ensures that your jute will remain water resistant. Okay, make sure you do this step properly to have a water resistant jute. There we go. Okay, job done. So now all that we need to do is take our waxed jute. So just whack it in there. Okay. There we go. Shall we do a test? What do you say? Let's try it. This should be enough. Let's try. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, go away. Stop. Let's test it out in the field with water on it. Okay, this is our wax jute. We're going to wet it again. Okay. Now, just whisk it a bit. Do like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take out the threads. My hands are still wet, but we're gonna have it to go. We're gonna have a go at it, even with my wet hands, okay? Just to show you that wax jute is the most basic and number one fire starter out of them all, okay? So even if the jute was underwater because it was infused with wax previously, it did not get wet. So this is what you do. You do a little fluff and you do like this. Which one is the spark part? No, not that one. Okay. There you go, my friends. The number one fire starter for everything. Survival, bushcrafting, camping, trekking, you name it. This is the one. If you want to turn it off, you just slide it down. There you go. Ta-da! If you want to go again, you push it back. Okay? You do the same process again. You fluff it up. 1, 2, 3, 4 fluff. That's enough, okay? And then if this is not the best, you tell me which is. See you in the next one, my friends. Click like and subscribe.